Hey, guess what? Today we're making a napkin holder, and the centerpiece on it is a snowman, just for that Christmas time. So we're going to start out up here in light bright, yeah, yep, got it tongue tied. We're going to start out here in light burn. It's colorful like light bright. All right, so what I've done is got a file here set up in light bright, light burn. And you've got to set your settings. So for engrave, I know my settings are somewhere around 6,070. For a cut, it's around 285 and 100% power. So now we have that set. In here, I have some plywood set up, ready to cut. To get your laser positioned, you'll hit the home. And then you come over here, and right where the little green dot is, that's where you want to center it. Then hit frame, and it'll go around in here and show you roughly where it's going to cut it out at. Then the next step's a fun one. We hit that little button up here, it says start. And off to the races it goes. It's cutting away. So when it's done, we'll be moving right on over here. So we've got the laser done. We're over here now with our staining crew. She's going to take care of the staining of our snowman napkin holder for Christmas time. Hold on, what is she doing there?
Well, guys, this is golden oak, and I am just dipping this little thing right in there because usually I am rubbing it in with a towel or a paintbrush or a sponge brush or something. Work smart, not hard, right? That's the name of the game. Fast and easy, way quicker. Just give it a few dips in there. Got my gloves on because golden oak is a beautiful color, but not for this white girl. And I don't want to be stained that color. So I'm just dipping it in there real quick. Gonna give it a good rub off. Quick and easy. See, look at that, how pretty, right? And I'm gonna dip these little things too, because they're gonna fit right in. Yeah, right? How quick and easy. Makes it like about a minute to get this little staining project done. So yeah, if I could get Tim to get me a big bucket and put tons of stain in it, all of my staining projects would be way faster. I'm just telling you. Like those planter boxes that I did this summer, they'd have been so much faster. But he won't do it for some reason. I don't know. You'll just have to ask him why he won't spoil me that way. But yeah, that's the staining process of what we're doing. Just kind of giving it a drip off, a little shake. But these are the cool little napkin holders that we're doing for Christmas. A little snowman and a Christmas tree. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. How pretty is that? Put on your Christmas table. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today.
So now that our stain has dried, we're going to put a very thin coat of polyurethane on it. Foam brushes is what I like to use. And I mean just really putting a thin coat just so it covers it to seal it. You want to hit front and back. And you continue this process on all your little pieces. And once you have them all sealed with polyurethane, we'll move on to assembly. So now we're going to do our assembly, and it's pretty easy and pretty quick. You want to make sure your design side is on the outside. But what we'll do is take a Q-tip. Works best, I found. Get a little glue on it. And you can layer a little bit of glue right on down that edge. Make sure you get plenty on there, but not so much it goes all over the place. Now, Titebond 3 does dry clear, so that helps. But for a cheat, so I don't have to sit here and hold it, I'm going to take some super glue, put a little drop here, a little drop about centered, and a little drop on the other end. And that way, we can line it up with the holes, snap it in place, take a square, roughly look that I'm standing up straight, and it looks good. Then you can take the back side of your Q-tip and wipe off any excess. And if it's a little warm and it starts drying quick on you, just use some water. That'll help remove it. And there's one side. Once you know it is pretty well straight, hold it for a few minutes, let that super glue dry, and you can do your other side. So here's our finished product. It makes a nice little napkin hold for the holidays that you can sit right in the middle of your table and everybody can reach those napkins. And guess what? Hit that follow button and smash that like button to find more content like this in the future. Quick, short, little things you can build. Have a great day and God bless.